Hi everybody, this is Tom, and that's Pogo over there watching. I'm here today to memorialize the completion of my computer build with the insertion of the microprocessor that just came in because it was very hard to get. Hard to get because of the worldwide demand generated by Microsoft's Flight Simulator. We're going to put it in here, in that slot you see in the center. That's where it's going to go. The rest of the computer I finished building. Here's the memory. You can't see the drives. They're solid state and they're kind of hidden and tucked away. Over here though, you can see, if we can focus in on it, my beautiful graphics processing unit. There it is. You can see the giant cooling fans on one side. On the other side, you can see the heat sinks and even the copper piping that's going to transfer heat away from this massive thing. But the heart of the system is coming in right now, and it's going to disappear. That's why I'm making this video. And here it is, my Intel 10th generation Core i9. It's an incredible microprocessor. Look at this thing. Look how tiny it is. I'm going to just grab it so you get a point of reference here. Look at it. The power of, like, the NASA putting men on the moon. Much more power than that. But here, this will give you a real idea. This thing thinks so hard and generates so much energy that before I can run it, after putting it into the computer, I have to put this cooling fan on top of it and glue it in place with thermal paste. So in order for it to run without melting itself to pieces, that's going to be glued into place on top of it, and you'll never be able to see it again. And this cooling system is going to have two more fans. That's only one. It's going to be another one in the middle and another one at the other end. All just to keep this little tiny thing from melting. So that's my video of the final installation of my Intel Core i9. I'm very excited, and thank you all for listening.